Still got him.
I mean, you're.
I'm almost got him up. He's getting close.
Huh?
He's getting. Oh.
Let him run. Come around. Well, get back over here.
Here he is. It's a shark.
Shark.
That's crazy.
I told you I thought it was.
What do? We get him in the boat?
I was really hoping it was a big red. Should have known when they started like pulling drag that much. It was something else.
Oh man. Look at that. There he is, right there. Now you're. I'm gonna hold that. Take off on it.
Yep, he's going off. That's what I worry about.
Come on, dude. Come on. He's gonna wear out there pretty quick.
Yep.
You know what? I got a glove.